एग्जांपल ठाए ॾेखारियो कोनो को सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स जो मूंखे। So let's recall, hurry up. खणो कॉपी खणो ऐं स्टार्ट कयो। So this is a pattern of symmetric matrix. A11, A22, A33 must be 0 because Aij is equal to 0 and I is equal to J. Okay, so our next lecture is on algebra of matrices. So let's start. तो आज के दिन के लिए वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अलजेब्रा ऑफ मैट्रिक्स। हमारे पास जो फर्स्ट है वो है अप्लाई स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन। Addition and subtraction of matrices. Scalar multiplication is like you have to multiply a scalar number with whole matrix. तो उसका मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ। Scalar multiplication. Assume we have a matrix A of any order. Let's say a 3 by 3 matrix. We have -1 and 2 and -2 here and 1 here. 0. So now our question is what could be actually 2A? तो आपको बात समझ में आ गई होगी कि हाउ कैन वी फाइंड एक्चुअली if this is 3A, how can you find 2A? तो इस बात को समझने से पहले आपको ये समझना चाहिए कि अगर हमारे पास एक प्रॉब्लम है, x की वैल्यू, लेट्स से द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 5, सो वैल्यू ऑफ 2x वुड बी 10। तो आपको ये बात समझ में आ गई होगी। तो दिस इज नॉट अ मैट्रिक्स, दिस इज एक्चुअली अ वैल्यू। Similarly we have a matrix So what would be the value of 2a now? तो हमसे ये पूछ रहा है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We have to multiply actually 2 with all entries of matrix A. So write down 2a, and you have to write 2, and a would be same. So sorry, not, so what you get is actually you have to multiply 2 with all entries of A matrix. So it will turn into -2, 4, and 6, and -4. You have to write here 2, and 2 times 0 is actually 0. उम्मीद है आपको ये स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन समझ में आ गई होगी. So what we have next? Next is the addition and subtraction of matrices. So for addition and subtraction of matrices, uh, keep remember the rule is order of matrices should be same. Otherwise you can't add. Number two, uh, add or subtract the entries correspondingly. ठीक है. Correspondingly का मतलब इधर you can say you have to add or subtract the entries of matrices uh, by position. So ये दो रूल्स आपको याद रखने हैं, तो आप काम कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स से आपके पास अगर एग्जांपल है, मेरे पास एक मैट्रिक्स है A, and let's say the A matrix is 3 by 2. I write down minus here, 0, 2, -3, and 4 here. Let's say 2, -2 here. So to add the matrix A with another matrix, let's say the B matrix, so what you have to do is, let's say this is 5, 7, and 0, and write down here 4, okay, 3, -3, and you can write it again, -11. So what should be A plus B and A minus B? So A plus B is actually G. A plus B क्या होगा? A plus B, this is A, write down here A, then plus, write down A minus B, तो आपने ये 9th क्लास में सारी चीज़ें आपने सीखी थी. सो A plus B is actually G. A plus B क्या होगा? So A plus B is actually -1 plus 5, that is 4, -2 plus 3 is 1, and 4 plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 7 is 7. 10 plus 2 is 12. Minus 3 minus 11 is minus 14. If you subtract, so you have G. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4, sorry, minus 6. And minus 1 minus 3 would be minus 4. 0 minus 7 is minus 7. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 10 would be minus 8. Minus 3 plus 11. You have at. So is there any question in addition and subtraction?
नो सर।
ठीक है बेटा, तो आगे चलते हैं। तो हमने अभी अभी स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन सीखी, एडिशन भी और सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस। नेक्स्ट वी हैव अकॉर्डिंग टू SLO, next we have to multiply, multiplication of two or more matrices having real and complex entries. Let's start. This is number 2. Actually, multiplication of two matrices uh, entries कौन सी हो, of two or more matrices having having real and complex entries. So let's try. Assume we have a matrix A. Okay, how can we multiply first? You have to remember. Keep in mind, when you can multiply two matrices, uh, the rule is number of columns first matrix must be equal to second matrix must be equal to rows of second matrix. Then you have to multiply uh, first row elements with first column of तो आपको क्या करना है, जो फर्स्ट रो होगी वो आप फर्स्ट रो के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट रो एलिमेंट्स विद फर्स्ट कॉलम elements. Okay. उसके बाद और ये प्रोसेस जो है चलता रहेगा। सेकंड रो होगी, देन सेकंड रो होगी, फर्स्ट कॉलम के साथ होगा। ये जो है फर्स्ट कॉलम हो गया, सेकंड कॉलम हो गया, अप टू सो वन। उसके बाद आप सेकंड रो भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सब कॉलम के साथ। तो मैं आपको कुछ एग्जांपल देता हूँ, उससे एग्जांपल को समझें, तो ट्राई करते हैं। So let's try example. We have a matrix of let's say 3 by 2 minus 1 2 that's a 3 here, 9 1 5 here, and B. You can see we have how many columns? Two columns. So this matrix must contain two rows. Right, two rows. Okay. You can insert another column. No issue. So assume the matrix is 3 2 1 0 minus 1 4 6 9. You can see the order of A is the order of A is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Order of A, order of B, that is 2 by 4. You can see the inside dimension is same. I mean the inside values are same. So the outside values are the actually the order of their addition. So order of product of two matrices would be 3 by 4. So let's try. How can we multiply A with B? So you have to write here AB, and so you have to multiply first row, first column. So order of this matrix AB would be 3 by 4, means 3 rows, 4 columns. So let me write first the pattern of AB, 3 rows and 4 columns. So this is actually 3 rows, 4 columns. So how can you multiply? You have to multiply minus 1 with 3. you have 3 here, then you have to multiply 2 with 1, so you will get 2 here. Then you have to multiply minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. Then you multiply 2 times 0 would be plus 0. Minus 1 times 4 is minus 4. Then add 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So you can write here minus 2. Then minus 1 times 6 is minus 6. And 2 times 2 9 is 18. Similarly, 3 times 3 is 9. And you have to multiply this 9 with 1. So plus 9. Then 3 multiplied 2 is 6. And 9 multiplied 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. And 9 times minus 1 is minus 9. 3 times 6 is 24. And 9 is 81. 5 3 is 15. And 1 times 1 is 1. 5 to the 10 plus 1 times 0 is 0. Then 5 times 4 is 20. And 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. 5 times 6 is 30. And plus 1 times 9 is 9. So this is procedure of multiplication of two matrices. कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लें.
No, sir.
So further, the simplification of AB. Minus 2 plus 3 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. And minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. 18 minus 6 is 12. And 9 is 18. 6. 12 minus 9 is 3. And 81 and 24. 81 and 24 is 105. 16. 10. 19. 39. So this is final product of AB having 3 rows and 4 columns. You can see here. So after that we have verify that the commutative property in matrices holds under addition and does not hold in multiplication. So let's try. Multiplication, you can see here. Uh, if I take same example, third verify that the commutative property. Now third commutative property verification. under addition. So you can see, consider the matrix A. Consider the matrix A and B. You can see A plus B is whatever you can see on screen, and similarly you can write B plus A. Write down B here, and you can write a B A. So, cut. So write on the value of B plus A. Once again, you can see the 5 minus 1 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1, 7 is 0, 7, 0 is 0, 10 plus 2 is 12, minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14. So you can say A plus B matrices is always same as B plus A. So this is a verification of commutative law under addition, but the commutative law in multiplication is not true. You can verify, and it's your homework. What I have done, you can see on the screen by selecting this matrix, these two matrices. If AB is this one, if you find BA, will not be same as the AB. Commutative property does not hold. So you can say AB is not equal to BA. You can write example. It's your workout. What should be BA? So find out BA, and when you find BA, it will not be same as AB. So note down. It's your homework. Okay. After that, we have number 4. Verify that transpose law satisfies that AB transpose is reverse order B transpose A transpose, and you can take uh, up to order 3 by 3. So now you can verify. So number 4. Number 4 is verify AB transpose is always first B transpose and A transpose. So let's try up to order 3 by 3. Let's try. Uh, so let's try if I have a matrix of 2 by 3, and to multiply A with B, and you can see we have 3 columns, so B must have 3 rows. B must have 3 rows, so let's try 3 rows, right? 3 rows. This is 2 by 3. This is 3 by 2. Write example 1 0 minus 1 2. Let's say 3 4 here. So whenever you multiply A with B, you can see the order of this matrix would be order of product. So what should be the order of AB? This is 2 by 3 and this is 3 by 2. Order of matrix would be 2 by 3. Let's try. Order of AB is 2 by 3 and order of B is 3 by 2. This would be 2 by 2. So if you multiply 3 with first row, 3 times 1 is 3 and 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is actually 2. Again, if you multiply 3, 1 and 1, 4, 3, 4, 12, 1 times 3, 3 and 1 times 2, 2. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 and 12 is 17. 1 times 1, 1, 0 times 0, 0, minus 2. So this would be minus 1. 1 times 4, 4, 0 times 3, 3, 2 to the 4. So this would be 8. So if you take transpose of whole AB, it would be 217 and minus 1. So you can say this is left hand side. Now you have to take transpose of B. Transpose of B would be okay. This is 3 by 2, so it would be 2 by 3. Write down. There would be 1 4 0 3 and minus 1 2. This is transpose of A. Sorry, B. Then transpose of A. Transpose of A would be 3 1 1 3 1 and 1. Then 1 0 2. So if you multiply B with B transpose with A transpose, write down So now you can see three columns and three rows. So now you can say we can multiply B transpose with A transpose. So answer would be, you multiply first row with first column. So order of product would be, this is 2 and 3. So 2 by 3 would be 2 by 3. Two rows, three columns, and three rows, two columns. So it would be 2 by 2 actually. So 1 multiply 3 is 3, and 0 multiply 1 is 0, minus 1 times 2 is minus 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2, and you can say 1 times 1 is 1, 0 times 0 is 0, minus 2 times is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. And 4 times 1 is 4, 2 2 are 4, remaining would be 0. So you can see AB transpose is same as B transpose A transpose. So I think there's not question. कोई क्वेश्चन आया वहाँ पे? गार्लसन में ना ही जो वो बताया था स्टेट में यस या नो जो जवाब जो. So great. Next we have the important one topic. जो कोबियन स्टूडेंट के भी प्रेजेंट थे लाजमी है. So present 9. So you can see determinants and inverse matrices. First we have to find determinant of a square matrix. In ninth class I already told you how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. But here we have to find the determinant of 3 by 3 with the help of 2 by 2 matrix. तो हम देख सकते हैं कि ये जो तकरीबन चीज़ें हैं आपने पढ़ी हुई हैं मगर लिमिटेड 2 by 2 ऑर्डर तक पढ़ी हुई हैं. तो let me tell you an exercise. तो अगर मैं आपको एग्जांपल बताऊं, तो दिस वाज स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन। हमने एडिशन भी सीखी, मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी सीखी। नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू ट्राई योर ओन exercise 3.1, complete exercise 3.1 दी है।
ये तो होगा।
So you have to try exercise 3.1. Okay. तो उम्मीद है आप ये एक्सरसाइज ट्राई करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे और मुझे सबमिट भी करा दें तो अच्छी बात होगी और आप सीख भी जाएंगे इस हिसाब से, तो प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी प्रॉब्लम्स की। ठीकु आहे त तव्हां ये एक्सरसाइज़ जा कुझु प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कयो, कोशिशि कयो। को मसइलो आहे अगरि ॻाल्हि सम्झ नथी अचे त तव्हां पुछा करे सघो था। सो अॼु लाइ इनफ आहे। काफ़ी स्टूडेंट बि जेके आहिनि उहे आज़म बि हाणे आयो आहे। त ही मां लेक्चर हुते अपलोड करे छॾींदुसि, वरी तव्हां इनशाला इहो तव्हां सम्झी वठंदो, सम्झी सघंदो। ठीकु आहे, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।